Hi guys, welcome back to RXK. It is Kim here and I am sharing my wash day routine with you all. Right now I'm just giving you a 360 so you can see what my hair looked like before I started washing it. This is my first time washing my locks on my own. I'm using Kinky Curly Come Clean. It's an organic line that I found at Whole Foods. I've been using it since like 2010. This is a Talia Wahid detangler that worked really well on my loose natural hair, so I decided to give it a try on the locks. So right now I'm just saturating my hair with water. It's very thick right now, so it took a while for it to be completely saturated. So you'll see me like going through it a bunch of times. Yes, so now I am going in with my Kinky Curly Come Clean shampoo. I'm putting a good amount in, and right now I'm just focusing on the ends of my hair, getting those clean, and I'm moving my hands in a circular motion. So I just do that until I feel like it's clean. Then I rinse it. And the second time I'm going in, I am focusing more so on my scalp and the roots of my hair. So I'm scratching so that I can get that scalp squeaky clean, because I get very flaky by the time the 1 month mark comes. Right now I'm rinsing my hair out again, and I'm going to shampoo my hair for the third time. The reason I'm shampooing so much is because it just felt so thick and it didn't feel like I was getting really deep down into my scalp and cleaning my scalp. And I just wanted to make sure it was clean because it has also been over the 1 month mark for me as far as washing my hair goes. And you can see it's much cleaner now. It's lathering more with the shampoo. So after this point here, when I rinse all of that shampoo out, I'm going to go straight in with the conditioner, which is a co-wash detangler. It can also be used as a leave-in, but I just put it in and saturated my scalp all the way to my ends of my hair, and I left it in for 5 minutes. And it made my hair feel really soft and moisturized. A lot of people are anti-conditioner when it comes to locks, but my loctician put me on the whole moisturizing route, and my hair has been flourishing, so I'm going to continue moisturizing. Alright, so I rinsed that conditioner out, and now this is what my hair looks like. A jungle, honey, a jungle. So now I'm going to have to moisturize this, and I typically like to only put organic or natural products in my hair. So right now I'm just going to moisturize the ends with coconut oil. However much you feel like your hair needs. Then I'm going in to grease my scalp. And I go in wherever I can see the parts at as best I can. And then from there, I just go in with my fingertips and massage it all the way through my scalp. The back was kind of difficult to find the parts, period. So I didn't even attempt to really separate those parts. I just put the coconut oil on my fingertips and massaged it in. Alright, I am all moisturized and ready to go. And I am going to retwist my hair by myself for the first time. It took 3 days, just like it did for me, to put it in, and I did it by sections. This is day 3 when I had one more section left. I was super proud of this. And this is my finished result. This is like the very next day. I took some pictures with my friend. And then this last set of pictures is from a photo shoot that I did. Not too shabby for a first time retwist on my own. That is all. Stay tuned for my 5-month lock update. Let me know if you have any questions.